In this lecture, I'm going to give you a few examples on how to write scripts for your online content. Alright, let's get into it. So for my first example, I want to prompt Google Gemini to write a YouTube script for a vlogger teaching people how to be a digital nomad. So this is actually a little bit short for a YouTube video, so I'm going to go ahead and go in here and prompt Google Gemini to now make a script with 400 words and have that script um, be more vibrant and engaging with its words. And now, as you can see, Google Gemini has given us a script that is more vibrant and engaging to its audience. Ditch the cubicle, forget the 9 to 5 grind. Imagine waking up on a beach in Bali, sipping a smoothie and crushing your work, all before lunch. That's a digital nomad life, and I'm here to show you it's not just a dream, it's your future, if you want it. Wow, that's amazing. Alright, so now we've got our YouTube script. So let's say we want to make a bullet point recap of most important points from the script that we could use at the end of our video. This will be good for concluding the end of the video and for recapping everything that the student learned within the video. As you can see, since Google Gemini can do this, it will save you so much time within your content creation. Now, let's begin to go ahead and dive into another example. This example will be more in the genre of learning and teaching. Now, I'm going to prompt Gemini to write a 2-minute script for a video skit about the future of AI. All right, so now we got our video script on the future of AI. As you can see, it's given us characters and also a synopsis for the video skit. And what you can do here is you can tell Gemini how you want to change this video skit. So say, for example, you wanted to change the characters within the skit. What you would do is prompt Gemini by telling it to change the character names or the synopsis or whatever you want to change within the video skit. And we're just going to change the names to John and Simon and send it. All right, so you can see we got those new characters. And like I said, you could change this to make it more funny, more serious, dark. You can change it to whatever you want. You just have to prompt it to do so. And for my last example, what I want to do is prompt Gemini to make 3 different TikToks that are 15 minutes long, or 15 seconds, sorry, about my astronaut food product, and make it funny and memorable. So, send that. As you can see, you can have Gemini write multiple scripts at once, so you have various options to choose from.